Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today I'm going to do the unboxing for one of the latest Mini GT, the very hyped Mini GT. It's a Lamborghini Huracan GT in the gravity concept. But before that, I'll put it on the side. I'll show you the 2-3 Liberty Walker accounts I have. Not much. I have like 4 of them, and this is going to be the 5th I'm going to add in my collection. You can probably see right here, but don't worry, I'll show you closely. This was the first one I've ever got, and this is really cool Huracan. But there is a problem in this one. Previously we used to have quality control issues in Mini GT, and due to that this car was having a missing headlight. But I really like the car, so I kept it. Someday if I'm going to find a headlight, I'll definitely change it. The next that I have got was this, the fighter jet one. This is like one of the coolest of all these. Remember, I love all of them. I love all of them. Every single casting coming out from Mini GT, I love it. What I love more? Lambos. What I love most? These castings, these Huracans, these GT Huracans, they are so damn cool. So this was the 3rd one I got, the camouflage. But there is one more I haven't shown you yet. This is the last before the gravity. This was one of the earliest release from Mini GT, and what a cool car to have in the signature white color. I'm sorry I followed. What a cool car to have. They are all damn cool. So what I'm looking exactly is this one do not have any details on the exhaust. The rest of these do have these exhaust details. These details used to be very cool. Mini GT used to have them in the early stages, but later they removed these details and we no longer get it. But less complaining. This is your gravity, Lamborghini Huracan GT. I'm going to cut it, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to show you guys. You probably have seen it on many unboxings, many channels, but this is the first time you are seeing it here. So remember, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Oh my god. Oh my god. So first thing first, I'm going to see if we have exhaust details. Yes, we do have exhaust details this time. These are not blue but gray. Still cool. Still cool. I really like how it does have gravity logo on it. It says Lamborghini, it says Liberty Walk on the spoiler. There's some tiny little bit detail over here as well. Yeah, I don't know what it says, but something. There is something. It says something. This is your base, very plain with the threaded wheels, really cool. And this is your side profile. Look at that side profile. This is so damn good. Wow. The wheels look great. The logos on the side, the profile, And look at that. This is so nice. Though so well detailed, so nicely made. What a beautiful casting it is. Look at the front. Especially the combo of the color red and blue and white. We have V of the gravity here. We have gravity logo here. It says number 5 on the front. The headlights look very aggressive. The front looks cool. And we have British flag over here. This is your top. Lamborghini logo here, LB walk here. Slammed. It says slam duck. And then gravity logo. Man, this is one of the coolest so far after the fighter jet. I'm sorry for that. It does roll well, very well. It does roll very well. So what an add to the collection, man. Thank you so much for sharing it with your friends. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel and watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.